called skate can only see in monochrome.
Skates are basically colorblind, but you get the point. So I was wondering, what if we had a monochromatic vision? But instead of seeing the world in a black and white filter, we could see only one color. Say red or yellow. That's what we are going for in this video. I hope you enjoy.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very interesting challenge. People are doing these food challenges for 24 hours, monochrome outfit challenge and everything. I wanted to put my own flair to it because I didn't know how to introduce the topic very interestingly. I had my friend write an intro through this video. I didn't know about skate before this. So what? I'm going to try my best to explain this challenge to you guys. Please bear with me. Basically, you choose a color and your outfit, your accessories and makeup or whatever you do on your face has to be of that chosen color or shades of that color.
And then all that's left is to click a picture. That's the challenge. Let's move ahead.
Rules.
You can use colors other than the chosen color, but it shouldn't overpower it. Basically, if you choose white, the picture should scream white. Rule number 2 forbids me from using those clothing pieces which don't follow the theme. So basically, if the theme is white and I don't have white sandals or say white bottoms, I cannot have a full body picture. I can only take a portrait. Rule number 3. DIY using only those things which are already available to us instead of going out and searching for them. Rule number 4. The sparkly glittery version of the colors are allowed. If you're doing yellow, you can have golden included in it. Golden is just the sparkly glittery shiny version of yellow, right? Don't come for me in the comments, but that's what I think. Like golden and yellow, you can have grey and silver, white and iridescent maybe. That's pretty much all the rules. And the color for this video is white.
Right now I'm thinking of angel and demon kind of thing. So I was thinking of like painting skeleton teeth, mermaid scales, that would look really good. Angel wings over here, around the eyes, and I don't know if it's a good idea, but I'm thinking instead of just painting my eyebrows white, I would rather stick, cotton on it. I don't know, it's like dreamy, so you might, think of an angel. I'm dumb, you don't have to listen to me. I've been like searching on Google and Pinterest for inspirations. So there's like this satanic symbol you'll see in the video, or I'll put a picture over here. I thought I'll do that. I'm also gonna paint some, I don't know what's that called. I'm gonna call them inverted crosses, alright? Don't get offended. I'm thinking I'll make an angel's halo and some horns over here. For the earrings, I think I'm gonna make some like bone earrings using pearls and some embellishments or something, and we're gonna see how it goes. This is what we are working with. I think it's pretty angelic, it's pretty flowy, so yeah. So I had this bangle, I got these from it. Pearls rolling everywhere. This is how it's gonna look. Look at how cute they look. I need to add the earring hoop, and I also made the ring I needed. Just made the halo support.
So the halo base is ready. I just need to add the devil horns to the hairband, and to the ring I need to attach some cotton, and then we are done. Using a white eye pencil, I'm marking where each tooth would go. Spoiler, I didn't actually end up painting the teeth. Using the same pencil, I am now roughly sketching the elements. It is a good practice to use pencil before you take paints to your face because it really helps you out in mapping the different elements and also in spacing. I don't own a foundation, so I'm using the pencil to mute the pink color of my lips. Going over the rough pencil outlines using paint. white eyeshadow over the lid and under the eyes. Using a silver eyeliner to draw a wing. I had actually initially planned to do the angel wings on both the sides, but just doing this one side got me so tired, I gave up. I'll finish the feathers and add a few details around the pentagram. Now sticking the pearl strips on my nose. I really messed up here. At this point, let's say I didn't like the view. I tried to fix it, but I decided it was better to do it off camera. Now to answer the main question. What if we could see only white? Switching in 3, 2, 1.
Video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like, consider subscribing to this channel. If you want me to do any other challenges, post it in the comment box. Keep supporting. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Did you just watch the whole video? What are you doing with your life? Well, anyway, do subscribe, hit the bell, and here are some videos that I think you might like, so go check them out.